Wildfire alert from Salem Fire. Level 3 go now. Evacuation from Death Road to Turner to Errands to Barcelona to Rising Iris. Leave without delay. It is unsafe to stay and threatens the safety of you, your family, and emergency responders. Your life could be in great danger. Emergency services personnel may not be available to help if you choose to stay. If you need assistance evacuating persons with additional needs and/or animals and livestock, call 911. If you are experiencing an immediate life safety issue, call 911.